Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you guys can make your icons look good. Alright, and it's going to be a really simple, quick tutorial, and it just makes your phone overall look better. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is hop into our Play Store, and we want to download the Shizuku app. Okay, if you have root already on your phone, then you can skip this step, but you don't need to have root, but you can use Shizuku instead. Alright, I'm going to show you how to set it up. We're going to open up Shizuku, and here we're going to tap on pairing, and it's going to ask you to give it notification access. We're just going to let it do that. Back here, we're going to click developer options, and we're going to get a searching for pairing service thing up here. If you don't have developer options already, and you want to hop into your settings, scroll all the way down into about phone, and then go into software information. And you see this build number, you want to tap on it like 8-9 times. At the bottom, you're going to see something like, oh, you're a developer now. It says for me, no need, I'm already a developer, or developer mode has been activated. So yeah, we're going to hop into our developer options. Alright, and what we're going to do here is we're going to go to wireless debugging. Now, usually the setting is only available for Android 12 or up. If it's below that, you're going to need a computer. But let's move on. I'm going to click on it and we're going to turn it on. Alright, just allow it. And then you're going to click pair with pairing code. And you're going to get a code. And up here it's going to say pairing service found. So you're going to click on it, enter pairing code, and you literally just want to enter the code below. So 128828, send, and it says pairing successful. Hop back into the Shizuku app. Now we can just click the start button here. And there we go. We're all set up. Now, the reason we installed Shizuku is we need to first set our theme. As you can see, I have this dark green neon sort of theme that I really like, and you can set your color theme too. So to do that, we're going to open up Chrome, and we're going to download an application called ColorBlendr. Alright, GitHub link right here. Don't worry, all of these links are going to be down below in the description for you. You don't have to go around running for anything. Alright, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you're going to see releases. Press it. And the APK file right here. And you just want to hit open and install. And now we're going to open up the app. And ColorBlendr continues. We're going to give it all these accesses, notifications, media, and file access. Alright, we can uninstall this application later. We just need it for now. Optimization. So yeah, some of you might find this annoying. So yeah, you can uninstall it later on. Continue, and it's going to ask you to choose a method. Here we press Shizuku and start. It's going to say allow Shizuku access. Click all the time. And here we go. Here you can choose, it gives you some wallpaper colors, so some default colors based off of your wallpaper that you can choose. Or you can go into basic colors, and I usually like this one here. And then you can see the, like, if I click yellow, for example, everything sort of changes to yellow, or red, or blue. Alright, so you just want to go through these, find your favorite. You can create custom ones too. Alright, and explore the color palette. I'm just going to go with here for now, the green. I really like it. And I'm going to go to the third option here called styles. And here, you can find different types of styles. So neutral is more of a bland type. I don't really like that. Tonal spot, I kind of like, and vibrant is my favorite. I set it to vibrant. Alright, there's also fruit salad. There's expressive. There's rainbow. There's a whole bunch of things for you to check out. I'm going to set it to vibrant for now. Alright. And then once that's done, if you hop into Chrome or anything else that uses Material 3 theming, it's gonna now show up using your new theme. Alright, so we can uninstall that now. We don't need it. I'll do that later. And now we're gonna install a icon pack. So what you want to search up is Pix Material You Light /dark. My bad. Alright, we're gonna click on the link and we're gonna hit download. Then we want the full latest build 5.3.5 right here. If you're watching this video in the future, you might have a different number, but just look for the biggest one. Alright, and downloading. This link will be down below in the description, by the way. You don't have to go around running. Alright, details. I'm just gonna hit it and install. Make sure to subscribe, by the way, if you like this type of content. I might make another video about how to make your keyboard look cool like mine, or how to make your status bar notification panel not just look gray, but actually pretty cool. So stay tuned for that. And there we go. I'm just gonna hit done. And now you want to download and install your ThemePark app too. I have already done it. As you can see, it wants me to update it. So I have it right here. I'm going to open it up. And we're going to hop into icon here and create new. And then this is what your default icons look like. Not really good, right? So you're going to click icon pack. And then this one. Sorry, I have another one too. But we want to click Pix Material You Light /dark under third party. And there we go. So, as you can see, some of my icons aren't set. So I'm going to click this icon up here, this button. That's going to tell me to choose an app. As you can see, most of my things are now set to my beautiful green color. We're going to go down, and my VPN isn't set. So we're going to click on it, and we're going to click Pix Material. Alright, here we go. So I'm going to click the search bar up here, and I'm going to type in like VPN, because that's what it is. Do I like any of these icons? Not really. I want it to match the original icon, so I'm going to type in key. This one kind of looks cool, so I'm going to go ahead and tap it, and there we go. It's set as that icon. I'm going to go ahead and do that for one more app, just to show you my Soccer Stars app. Pix Material U. Alright, here we go. We're going to type in like soccer. Yeah. I kind of like this icon, so I'm gonna press it. And there we go. It's set. Now we simply just go back. All our icons are set, and we're gonna hit the little download icon up here. And it says you have to give it a name. I'm just gonna type in main one. Okay, and it's gonna set it. And we simply just press it, apply, and voila! Look at all our icons. Looks so beautiful, just like I showed you. Alright, again, you can make this whatever color you want. It could have been yellow, blue, green, whatever your favorite color is, or whatever just looks good to you. Alright, and in the future, I might even show you how to use the theme, keyboard, quick panel, like I have set up here, and make it look pretty cool for you too. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe. It's literally like one button that you have to press, but it helps me out so much you can't even imagine. So just make sure to subscribe. And yeah, see you all next time.